Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Wednesday, September 21, year 2022. It's in the evening, a little short of 8 p.m. Central Time. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. Want to get all of our YouTube people caught up with what's going on in the markets. A lot going on. Let's see, as usual, we'll look at the Qs, and we're looking at this decline from the August 16 high. And you can see we've got a one down. You can see in the blue here real lightly. I might move those a little bit so we can see them there. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the larger wave 1. There's wave 2 up, and it hit right at the 500, a little bit over the 500 retracement target. And wave 3 down is unfolding. And we can get a little, let's get up there, a little target action for the Qs. Wave 3 gains equality at 270.75. That's the next target we're looking for. As long as this high here at 314, is that 314? Let me look a little closer on that. Get on it. 313.07. Let me make this bigger. Make sure I get on it. Don't give you guys the wrong number. Yeah, 314 even. There it is over there in the black. As long as that holds, we're looking for this target of 270.75. Where is it wrong? If it goes above 314. US 10-year. Everybody's paying attention. Ever since August of 2 years ago, we've been watching it, and now everybody's watching it. You can see here we had our targets up here. There they are. Okay, that was wave 3. That was wave 4. We won't bore you with all the stuff before then. We had a 5-wave pattern to the upside and an ABC correction. And here we go. We had a 3.576, and I believe the high was right above that, 3.640 on the 21st today. And we have another target above at 4.434. So interest rates are rising and the stock market is falling. Go figure, right? Let's get into the E-minis here, okay? We're looking at a daily chart, and we've got 5 waves down for wave A in parentheses. We have 3 waves up for wave B in parentheses, and you can see we've got a 1 down and a 2 up on that 9/6 date, and then that 9/13, which was 1 day in front of our 9/14 turn date, and boy did that prove prophetic, huh? Anyway, our targets here for this third wave, just as this A wave here in parentheses had 5 waves down, okay, this C wave, which is beginning from the B wave high, will have 5 waves down. And there's 1 down, there's 2 up. Big break of that wave 1 low there at 38.8350. That confirmed the count, and there's our first target at 37.3075. We have lower targets at lower Fibonacci multiples, higher multiples, lower prices below that. Let's look at our hourly. By the way, this was the daily, and we took it up to that B wave high on 8/16, okay, which was another turn date. There is that B wave high at 8/16 on an hourly chart. We have 5 waves down for a 1, and we've got a second wave retracement right at the 6/18 on 9/13, and then we have a 1-2 and a 1-2. This thing, we'll get into that, but we've got third waves at least 3, if not 4 degrees of trend. And so far, all of these highs are holding, starting with this 39.36, which happened yesterday, 39.77, and 41.75. And if we want to throw the higher one, that's a B or a second wave up there at 43.27. As long as those hold, this thing is going lower. And even if the most recent one breaks, it doesn't break the trend at a larger degree of trend, if you will, or the pattern at a larger degree of trend, okay? That's what we're looking at in the hourly. Let me see if I can show you guys. There's that pick there, and that gives us a bigger look, and you can see the different degrees of trend with the 3, with the parentheses up there from 9/13. We have 37.33 and a quarter target there. This 3 here, 1 down, 2 up, 3. Gains equality of 1, 2 points away, or less than 2 points away, or 2 1/4. 37.31, and this most recent one with the underline on it in italics, that's a 1 down and a 2 up, and that wave 3 gains a 1.618 at 37.26. So we've got a conglomerate of 3 targets within about 7 or less than 7 points of each other. So we're looking for that to extend down there. It was a nice move, nice fake out. A lot of people may have been whipsawed, but we had our make or break right there. It held, so we were short against it in the very short term, and it paid off. Want to see if we have something else here we want to show you guys. We put this out. By the way, I'm out of town traveling for business starting tomorrow, Thursday, and coming back Sunday night. So I'll get my subscribers newsletters and YouTube updates as soon as I can upon my return. This was the post-market close report sent out today. There's that announcement that I'll be out, and there is that same chart there. And you can see these targets here are not targets. These resistance levels or make or breaks all held at 4 different degrees of trend, starting obviously with the 43.27 up here, and the next one down at 41.75, next one down at 39.77. Those are all second wave highs. They all held, confirming our count. We needed a break below that 38.43, and we got it, 38.43 and a quarter. That was achieved. There's those second wave and or B wave retracement highs that all held. Okay, and this is what we're looking at here. They all held intact as long as that 39.36 up here holds. We have third waves down at least 4 degrees of trend. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. Okay, there's our targets there, and that's what we're looking at. So let's get back to this diagram here, this chart here. Okay, so we'll see what Thursday and Friday bring. Remember that in a bull market, for the most part, Fridays and Mondays were up. So it's a bear market, and I don't think just for the most part, but I think since at least that August 16th high, Fridays and Mondays have been down days. But we got another day to go before we get to there. Okay, we'll see you guys next week, hopefully Sunday night, if not soon after. And until then, take care, everyone.